Good morning, class 3 students. Today we will start lesson number 10. Topic is time. So we will do some reviews which we have already learned in the previous classes. Now, first is what we measure the time with the help of clock. Means using this clock we can measure the time. And what time now? So the clock will tell us that about the time. A clock usually has two hands. This is known as two hands. Okay, this one, this is two. Now the long hand tell us minutes. So you can see here, this is this part. This hand is longer than this. So this long hand shows the minutes, and this short means small hand is tell us the hour. Now the hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round. Means what? This hour hand, this is the minute and this is the hour. If this will move 12 one round, then this small will move from 2 to 3. Clear? So it will move 12, then it will move 1. So this is known as equals to 1 hour. So hour and so if this small hand moving from 2 to 2, then 12 hours is completed. If the long hand will move from moving from the same and coming through the same position, it will take the 1 hour. Means स्मॉल वाला को 12 आवर्स लगता है और जो बिग वाला है उसको 1 आवर लगता है एक चक्कर लगाने में. पूरा कंप्लीट करेंगे 1 राउंड, देन दिस इज द टाइम टेकन बाय द बोथ द हैंड्स. इट स्मॉल विल टेक द 12 hours and the big one will take 1 hour. So this is the basic concept of the watch. Now there are 60 divisions. If you will count it, this one here to here, this is 5. Just like this 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. This is the 60 divisions are made, and this 60 divisions tells us the time. It will divide the 60. Means what? It will tell us the exact time. We can find out by this division. So how we will see the watch, I will teach you in next class, in the next video. But today we will learn about some basic fundamental part of the watch. Now between the two consecutive numbers on the clock, there are 5 minutes, and the minute hand moves the 5 minutes from the every number of the next. Means this minute hand will be moved from 12 to 1. It will take the 5 minutes. Okay, and if this small hand will be moved from the 2 to 3, this will take the 1 hour. Clear? So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and 1 day contains 24 hours. So this is the fundamental about the clock. So I hope these fill in the blanks you will do yourself by taking help from the here. Okay, so I will not give the answer, you will try to do this one. And also the next page, some watch are there. If you know how to see the watch, how we can find the timing in the watch, so you will try yourself, and I hope some of the student will do and some of will not able to do this one. So the next video I will teach you how to get the time from a watch.